Tired of frustrating glitches in Photoshop? Let's make sure your Adobe Creative Cloud account is in perfect shape so you can unlock the full creative potential Photoshop offers. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. You should see the usual Photoshop interface with the menu bar at the very top of the screen. This is where we'll find the account information. Look for the Help option in the menu bar. It's usually located towards the right side. Click on Help. A drop-down menu will appear. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a sign-in option. Click it and enter your account information. Once you are logged in, go back to Help. Now, you should see your account information displayed within the drop-down menu. This tells you that you are logged in correctly. Pay close attention to the account details listed. Check to confirm it's the correct account. Make sure your email address is correct and that you are logged into the account you intend to use with Photoshop. And that's it, properly configured. And the Adobe Creative Cloud account is verified, giving you full access to Photoshop's features. If any issues come up, check your internet connection or visit Adobe's support site for more help. Happy editing!